So we never showed our face on YouTube before, so now we're gonna show our face. This is Gage and Ben. We've been on YouTube for a minute, but we got this Integra. We posted that
About 12 years now.
Yeah, we posted that video a while ago. Well, it was like earlier this week of the Integra going into VTEC. Right? It's pretty slow. We'll admit, but it's also fun as hell. Above 6,000 RPM. Oops. So, what I wanted to do was post us doing VTEC without an exhaust leak because we had a pretty massive exhaust leak at the manifold. Yeah, so it's got some like performance headers and like a short ram like crappy intake. You know, somebody did the number on this, but so we got the intake or exhaust manifold leak fixed. So we'll start it up and take it for a drive today and record some of that shit. Nice. Start up smooth as hell. In the little room.
Wow, it sounds so much better now.
This sounds really good. I can't believe it's still closed. Oh, that smell. It smells like fresh weld.
It smells like burning.
Yeah. 0.2 actually. Here we go.